Guys, welcome to another session of learning with prep class. I am VC. I am a prep class tutor. In this video, I'll be solving question 21 to 25 of the Loyola JC College Entrance Examination Mathematics Paper 5. Have you subscribed to this channel? If you haven't done so, subscribe right now to be able to get access to more videos like this. Okay, so let's begin. Question 21. 2,919 minus 2,420 equals A. 499, B. 503, C. 502, D. 501. So let's do that now. So this is basic subtraction. So let's start. 9 minus 0 is 9. 1 minus 2 is not possible. So we get 1 from 9. It remains 8. Put the 1 here, it becomes 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. Then 8 minus 4 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. So we don't write it. So now we have that 2,919 minus 2,420 is equal to 499. Okay, so the correct option here is option A, 499. Check. Question 22. Find the area of the rectangle shown. So this is the rectangle here. Okay, so we have to find its area. So area of a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. The length of this rectangle is 26 meters and then the breadth is 21 meters. Okay, so we have area of rectangle equals 26 meters multiplied by 21 meters. Let's do that here. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Right to carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then let's add this together. 6 plus nothing is 6. 2 plus 2 is 4. 5 plus nothing is 5. So we have 546. So the area of this rectangle is 546 meters square. Because meter times meter is meter square. Okay. So the area of this rectangle is 546 meters square. Then the correct option is option C, 546 meters square. Check. Question 23. A trader bought an item. He then sold it for 19,226 naira 86 kobo at a profit of 13,900 naira 86 kobo. What is his percentage profit? So we have to bring out all the information that is given in this question. A trader bought an item. That's the cost price. We don't know what the cost price is. Okay, then he then sold it for 19,226 naira 86 kobo. So this is the amount he sold it. That's the selling price. So the selling price is 19,226 naira 86 kobo at a profit of 13,900 naira 86 kobo. So the profit is 13,900 naira 86 kobo. What is his percentage profit? To find the percentage profit, we need to know the cost price. And the cost price is not given. So to find the cost price, we have to do selling price minus profit. Selling price is 19,226 naira 86 kobo minus the profit, which is 13,900 naira 86 kobo. Okay, so let's do that here. 6 minus 6 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. Drop the decimal point. 6 minus 0 is 6. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 9 is not possible. So we get 1 from 9. It remains 8. Put it here. It becomes 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. Then 8 minus 3 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we don't write it. We have 5,326 naira. So that's the cost price. The cost price is 5,326 naira. So now that we know the cost price, we can find the percentage profit. Percentage profit is profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. The profit is 13,900 naira 86 kobo and then the cost price is 5,326 naira. Okay, so now we have 13,900 naira 86 kobo divided by 5,326 naira multiplied by 100. So we have 13,900 naira 86 kobo multiplied by 100 divided by 5,326 naira. Okay, so let's do that here. So we now have 1,390,086 divided by 5,326. Naira cancels naira. So now we have 1,390,086 divided by 5,326. That can be done here using the long division method. So the first possible digit that is divisible by 5,326 is 13,900. 13,900 divided by 5,326 is 2. 2 times 5,326 is 10,652. 0 minus 2 is not possible, so we get 1 from the next digit. But the next digit is 0, so we have to get 1 from the next digit here, which is 9. It remains 8. Put it here, it becomes 10. Then remove 1, it becomes 9. Put it here, it becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 5 is 4. 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 minus 0 is 3. So now we have 3,248. 3,248 is not divisible by 5,326. So we have to drop down the next digit. So now we have 32,488. 32,488 divided by 5,326 is 6. 6 times 5,326 is 31,956. 8 minus 6 is 2. 8 minus 5 is 3. 4 minus 9 is not possible, so we get 1 from 2. It remains 1. Put the 1 here, it becomes 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 0. So now we have 532. Then 532 is not divisible by 5,326. So it means that we have to drop down the next digit, which is 6. So we now have 5,326 divided by 5,326. That will give 1. 1 times 5,326 is 5,326. 5,326 minus 5,326 is 0. So now we've been able to completely divide 1,390,086 by 5,326. So the answer is 261. So this trader's percentage profit is 261%. Okay, so now the correct option is option B, 261.0%. Check. Now the next question, question 24, we have 2 square plus 60 square. Now first of all, what is the square of a number? The square of a number is the value obtained when the number is multiplied by itself. So 2 square is 2 multiplied by 2, 3 square is 3 multiplied by 3, like that. Okay, so it's very easy. So this means that 2 square plus 60 square is 2 times 2 plus 60 times 60. 2 times 2 is 4. Then let's do 60 times 60 here. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 6 is 0. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 6 is 36. Now let's add this together. 0 plus nothing is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus nothing is 6. 3 plus nothing is 3. So we have 3,600. So 60 times 60 is 3,600. Then 4 plus 3,600 is 3,604. So this means that 2 square plus 60 square is 3,604. And then the correct option here is option A, 3,604. Check. Question 25. A tabletop has a width of 82 meters and length of 12 meters. What is the perimeter of the tabletop? First of all, what does perimeter mean? Perimeter is the distance around a shape. Okay, so now this tabletop has a width of 82 meters and length of 12 meters. So this means that this tabletop is a rectangular tabletop. The perimeter of a rectangle is 2 length plus width. Okay, the length is 12 meters and the width is 82 meters. Now let's find the perimeter of this tabletop. Okay, so we have perimeter of tabletop equals 2 times 12 meters plus 82 meters. So let's do 12 meters plus 82 meters first. So 12 meters plus 82 meters. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 8 is 9. So we have 94 meters. So now we have 2 times 94 meters. Let's do that here. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 9 is 18. So 94 times 2 is 188. So the perimeter of this tabletop is 188 meters. So it's very easy. Just make use of the formula 2L plus width and then you get your answer. Okay, so the correct option here is option B, 188 meters. Check. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're able to learn a lot. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this that would help you in preparation for your entrance examination. Till I come your way next time. Bye.